We will guide you through how to make typing effect in CapCut PC. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, click the Windows Start button on your computer. Search for CapCut in the Windows search box, then launch the CapCut desktop editor from the search results. Once the application opens, create a new project or open an existing one if you already have a project prepared. If your video is not already included, import it into the media library and drag it onto the timeline to begin editing. Next, select the Text tab from the top toolbar to access the available text tools. Click Add Text and enter the words or sentence you want to animate. After typing your text, customize its appearance by adjusting the font, size, color, style, and screen position until it matches the look you want for your video. When you are satisfied with the design, click the text layer on the timeline to highlight it and display its editing options. Open the animation panel from the text settings to access the available text animation effects. Browse through the animation categories until you locate the typing animation. Select the typing animation from the list to apply it to your text layer. Once the animation has been added, adjust the animation duration to control how quickly or slowly each character appears on the screen. A shorter duration creates a faster typing effect, while a longer duration produces a slower and more dramatic animation. Preview the animation in the playback window to see how the text appears over your video. Continue fine-tuning the animation timing until the typing effect looks smooth, realistic, and easy to read. Play the entire project from the beginning to review the final result and confirm that the typing animation blends naturally with the rest of your edit. Once you are satisfied with the appearance and timing of the text animation, save your project to preserve the typing effect